Congratulations.
Thank you.
How's your feeling?
It's good. It was a good experience. I enjoyed everything. And I
Okay,
had a lot of fun.
that's great.
Yeah.
You passed?
Yeah, I passed. Yeah.
Drive safe.
Yeah. Thank
See you,
you.
Naji.
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Before you start watching, please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and what else? Write some comments. Today I have a new girl. How are you?
Good.
What do you do?
I work at bargain bins.
Okay, so that's great.
Mm-hmm.
So you have a test today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Mhm.
Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay, so when the examiner comes to you, window down,
Mm-hmm.
show your license, what's your name, what's your date of birth.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're 17, 18, something like that.
Me?
Yeah.
Way older than that.
Oh my god, okay.
I'm 22.
Okay, 22.
Yeah.
That's great, yeah. And then press the brake, right signal, left signal, honk the horn. Inside the car, examiner is gonna ask you, do you wear glass or contact lens? And do you have any medical problem? Today's so hot.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any medical problem?
Mm-hmm.
Then then exam start. So you want mock test or you want practice? Let's practice mock test.
And then do test 2.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay,
Yeah.
practice mock test.
Just start now.
Yeah. Right here. Yeah, good job. You creep up a little bit and you check left side. Did you like this Arabic gum?
Didn't try it yet.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't try yet?
No.
Okay, turn right.
Move up just a little.
Yeah, I didn't ask your name.
You edit after you.
Okay. No, sure. I can ask now.
Yeah.
¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Amber.
Amber. Okay. Mi nombre Amber. You're from Canada, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Born and raised here?
Yeah.
Irish, Scottish, Danish,
French.
British?
French and a little bit Irish.
French, Irish.
Mhm.
Okay. By the way, you turned well. Our lessons, guys, driving lessons and knowing people, knowing culture.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, you checked. So you can give signal. Yeah, just wait, keep going. And when you change your lane good, the only thing you missed, you tell me.
Tell you changing lanes.
You change well. You give signal, you check blind spot. Only, guys, did you find out what she has done? You can write in the comment before I'm saying. Your distance was close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought that for a second.
Yeah.
It was a little...
If you check on the mirror and blind spot, and people they don't understand, they don't realize that you're gonna change your lane.
Yeah.
You should give your
Always check
signal.
signal and
Yeah,
check.
yeah. Give your signal and then left. Someone wants to go Tim Hortons. Go. Yes, yeah. Support local, right? Now we have to buy from Canadian items. So there are some apps. This is American, this is Canadian. Yeah.
Some people are so strict on that. Kind
Yeah,
of stuff.
me too, because the Trump is What
taking
he-
over
yes.
and doing stuff.
Yeah, what he's doing, right? It's killing our economy. Good lane change. At the beginning, the guy didn't want to give you right away.
But I
After that,
sped up a
yeah,
bit.
you speed up a little bit. That's great. Turn right. Okay, this is one-way street. Turn left. So in the one-way street, you should have come to the left side.
Mhm.
Yeah, let's go. Because one-way turning left, come to left side. One-way turning right, come to right side. Pull over. Let's do 3-point turn. Turn left. Good 3-point turn. You checked very well because the motorcycle is coming. Left. Yes. So one-way street. If you wanna turn left, at the end, come left side. Only in one way. If you wanna turn right, at the end, come right side. Turn right. So you don't need to wait so much because it's always stop sign.
Mhm.
You stop first, you go first. So pull over here. Uphill with curb.
Uphill is
With curb.
with curves this way.
Yes. So I teach the student one cheating. Okay.
Mhm.
So you can write down here with here.
On my hand.
Yeah, UPC.
Mm-hmm.
Write down. U. Yeah. No, okay, give it to me. Like, just
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Okay. So here. U P C. Uphill curb.
Uphill curve.
Okay. Yeah.
So okay, that's a little
Hint.
trick. Yeah.
Trick.
And then
Okay. Let's go. UPC. Okay.
Yeah. That's because that will be.
Yeah. Easy to remember, right? Yeah. So you check. That's good.
Mhm.
You check the mirror. That's great.
Mhm.
You missed one thing. Go straight.
This mirror
No. Signal.
signal.
Turn right. This white car is waiting for you. He's saying that, please Amber, do parallel park for me. Okay.
Sit here.
Mhm. That's
It's a
great.
street.
Yes. So let's straighten the wheel. One more to the right. Yeah, your position is good. If you are too far a little bit, you can
Move
creep
up?
up. You
Yeah.
move a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
If
Yeah, because I'm in the driveway, but
exactly, treat as a curb.
if so, they'll do that. If treat it as that. If treat it as a test.
Yeah. Let's vamos. You see it.
Sometimes I forget that.
Yeah.
It's not. I'm not used to.
Yes,
having
some
that,
car
so-
doesn't have. Yeah,
Mhm.
normally we don't use handbrake, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. Then use handbrake. Some cars now e-brake. Your distance is good. Okay, 1 meter gap with the cars. Turn left. You missed the look right side. Am I right?
My blind spot.
No, right side.
Oh.
Turn right. So if you are turning right, look in left side.
Mhm.
If you are turning left, look in right side. Yeah, good turning.
Stay in the middle.
Yeah, no, here. From here. So this is one way.
Mhm.
If you want to turn left, come to left side.
Mhm.
If you want to turn right, come to right side.
Mhm.
Yeah. How is life going on?
Good.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
How's your store? Is it busy?
It's busy.
Is there any discount? I mean, on Friday?
It's it's $18.99 on Friday.
Everything.
Everything, yeah.
Oh,
So if it's like $1,000 item, it'll be like $18.99, or like a laptop, or
oh really?
sometimes you get phones. Yeah, we haven't got phones in a while, but you can get them for $20 or.
Everything.
Yeah.
Electronic.
Mhm. Yeah.
Wow. If you make ads, tell your boss and give some money. I can make ads.
Mhm.
Free ads. Oh no, not free.
You're gonna get some money out of it.
Yeah, advertising, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. Your speed is wonderful.
Mhm.
Yeah. 2, 3 up down is fine, but 4, 5 is now risky.
Yeah.
Yeah. They change it, guys. If you watch my old videos, and now they are so strict. Examiners are so strict because MTO changed the policy. 10% up and down. So you can change your lane to right. Watch your speed, please. Don't reduce the speed. Yeah. Good. Go back to the right test center. Yeah. Left. Didn't check blind spot. So other one, please. Other one. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go.
Not sure where they had the turn signal.
Yeah. So park to the right here, over there. Right here, please. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and then park and brake, of course. So don't forget blind spot when you're entering. If you're turning right, look at left side. If you're turning left, look at right side. Your parallel parking was good. 3-point turn good. Uphill parking with the curb Apple parking is there, right?
Yeah.
UPC.
Yeah.
Up C.
Mhm.
And before you're moving, mirror signal, blind spot.
Mhm.
Yeah. Anything else to add, Miss Amber?
I think I'm ready.
You're
for my
ready?
test, yeah.
Yes, you are ready for the test. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.